Do it one more time. Okay, here we are. Sorry, I was filming.
All right.
Oh my God, here we are with Tony Pellerino.
Yeah, you're riding along in my Terremoto. It's a 2013 JKU. We've completely gutted it. It's got Curry 70 axles, it's Atlas transfer case, LS3, 4L80 tranny. You can see the dash has been completely redone, and this thing is a beast. So we're gonna give it a run on the $1,000 hill.
Okay, hold on. What are all these levers you got?
That's for the Atlas, and this is the transmission.
Okay, so do I gotta worry for my life?
No.
Oh my God, he's gonna kill me on this. All right, off-road overland camping, this is as good as it gets. Here we go. Holy shit, man. Wow. Oh my gosh, dude, this is insane. So this is not like a TerraFlex suspension.
No.
This is a badass suspension. This thing feels, whoa.
All right, don't miss this part.
Where am I going?
Off right here.
Whoa, go slow! Oh my God, damn! Oh my God. We gotta go one more time, just so I can get it. Man, I'm shaking. This is so crazy. This is better than the diesel.
All right, here we go.
Wow. Oh my gosh, this thing is incredible. Look at him go. Like a true pro. It's actually really smooth. I'm surprised.
This is a good
Whoa, man, that was a scary one, dude. Now what are you pushing over there?
That's the front locker.
Oh my gosh, that was scary. I thought for sure we were gonna roll over. No!
Now we're gonna go up the tires.
Okay, let's try that one. Man, I don't know, maybe my diesel could do this kind of stuff. We'll have to see. I'm gonna have to upgrade my axles for sure. I'm gonna handle you, huh? I gotta say, man, fucker. My God.
You're welcome.
Man, I go for a ride with this guy, and all of a sudden, I'm spending a shitload of money on my fucking Jeep.
So that guy's doing pretty good. He's doing pretty good.
Oh my God, it's so funny. I'm sure a lot of people say that to you, right?
Oh yeah.
Like, God damn it.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, he's messing this up. What you don't want to do is stop it.
You want to go around it? Yeah?
Oh, that tube moved. That's what's happening.
Did you break it?
That's why we're getting that extra bump. Oh,
Did you want to go the first way or you want to go one way?
this one's going.
Wow.
I think she wanted to film it from the top.
Okay.
I think it's about staying smooth and consistent.
All right. It's very impressive. I'm impressed. I gotta say that. It's a little bumpy, but whoa, shit!
You say that every time.
Oh my God! What about if you go straight over that rubber? Can we go that way? Whoa, my gosh! Do you think we could go back up that thing just to see how steep it is?
Well, what's that?
The thing we just fell off of.
You mean to, like, look at it? Oh, that?
Yeah, just kind of go back to look at like, what am I going up? It's so steep. You're just falling down it.
Yeah, right there.
Can you drive up that or no?
Yeah.
You can drive up that.
We gotta get a straight shot.
Okay, let's see. Whoa! Wow, that's easy.
Yep. There you go. Yep. There you go. are doing you well. Now get your right leg out and put it on the rocker. Right leg. You're doing it. You're doing it. That's good. There you go on the rocker now. Stand up. No, no, no. You did good. You did good, man.
Okay. Wow, Marsh, you got in there fast. You gonna show off the Gen Right shirt, or are you gonna wear that pink vest?
It's fine. Okay, so flip that around. Yep. And then you just open that. This part. Like that. And then slide just this metal piece. That metal piece goes inside it. Hang on. Goes right there. Slide it inside there. And then latch it.
Okay, I can't see it.
Oh, you can?
This is my goggles. Now?
You're good.
Yeah. There we go.
There we go.
Just don't roll this time.
Okay.
All right, good luck. Hey, this is Ron with Off-Road Living. Can we get up with